CVS's Epic Beauty Event, their famous semi-annual sale, is back with savings so big it'll be giving both you and your bank account peace of mind. CVS is all about self-expression, self-confidence, and self-care. They know that shoppers like you are financially savvy and are always on the hunt for those priceless deals. So many people believe that the higher the price tag, the higher the quality, but we need to bust that myth right now. Price does not always equal quality. So whether you're looking to invest in a skincare routine or want to stock up on some of those drugstore beauty swaps, CVS's Epic Beauty Event has got you covered. It's the perfect opportunity to splurge without having to sacrifice on budget or quality. There are literally thousands of hot deals, many of up to 50% off, and buy one get ones too. Head to cvs.com/epicbeauty or come in store to check out the sale yourself starting March 12th through April 8th. You can also scan the QR code on your screen for easy access to shop the sale too.